In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix your date of birth e-file reject. If your e-file bounced back with a message about your date of birth, don't worry. This is a common, fixable mismatch between what you entered and what the IRS gets from Social Security. Let's walk through it together. First, sign into TurboTax and open the same tax return that was rejected. Don't start a new return. You want to work inside the original file so all of your information stays intact. Next, head to the left-hand menu and choose My Info. This is the hub for your personal details, and it's the place most likely to hold the mismatch that triggered the reject. Look for your date of birth and review it carefully. Confirm the month, the day, and the year. Watch for easy-to-miss slips like swapping the month and day or selecting the wrong year from a drop-down. Make sure what you see here matches exactly what the Social Security Administration has on file for you. Precision matters down to each digit. While you're here, verify your Social Security number and legal name. The IRS validates your e-file against Social Security records, so a typo in the SSN, a missing digit, or using a nickname instead of your legal name can throw the same error. If you use a suffix such as junior or senior, ensure it's entered in the correct suffix field, not attached to your last name. Hyphens and spaces in names are fine. Enter them exactly as they appear on official records. If you're married filing jointly, switch to your spouse's profile in the same My Info section and double-check their date of birth, SSN, and legal name with the same level of care. A mismatch for either person can cause the entire return to be rejected. After you've corrected anything that needs fixing, click Continue or Done to save your changes. It's important to actually move forward in the interview, so TurboTax records the updates. Now run a federal review. This tool scans the return for remaining issues and will point you to anything else that could block your e-file. Follow any prompts to resolve what it finds. When everything looks good, go to File and resubmit your return electronically. If you still get the same rejection, it often means the Social Security records don't match what you expect, and you'll need to get those records updated before e-filing will succeed. You've got this. Take it step by step, and your return should go through smoothly.